Hello sir, in this tutorial I'll show you how can you manage your Scala hosting account, and here you are. So here on left side, after login, here you left side on see my service and then click manage, and after click manage you will see bonjo.com, and this is your VPS, reseller hosting. You just click view details. I am clicking on view details, and then you just click here login to WHM. As this is a WHM account, and from here you just click account information and then just click list accounts, and here you get all of your cpanels. And like you want to enter this cpanel, you just click this one, and you just in there, and you just click file manager, and you just go here and do any change, and this is like normal cpanel. I just have to show you how can you access every of your cpanel. You don't have to know any password of them. You just click enter in your WHM. I am showing you again, and I hope you will understand. You just go like my service manage. After login, you have to log in here, and you just click view details, this one, view details, and just log in to WHM. Wait for a few seconds for redirect, and just account information, this one, and just list accounts. And like you have to wish to enter this cpanel, you just click this cpanel. This is how you can manage all of your cpanels from here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you love it. I hope you like it, and I hope it helps you. Thank you for now. Take care. Bye bye.